The Perytong Sleep Headphones present a unique blend of comfort, technology, and practicality designed to improve the sleep experience and support active lifestyles. These headphones are integrated into a soft, breathable headband, allowing users to listen to music, audiobooks, or white noise without the discomfort of traditional earbuds or bulky headphones. This design cleverly combines the functions of a sports headband and wireless headphones, making it suitable for a variety of activities including sleeping, working out, jogging, yoga, meditation, and travel. The headband is crafted from a durable blend of 88% nylon and 12% spandex, ensuring a stretchy yet secure fit that accommodates different head sizes comfortably. The breathable mesh lining enhances comfort by reducing heat buildup, an important factor for those who tend to sleep hot or wear the band for extended periods. One of the standout features of the Perytong Sleep Headphones is the inclusion of ultra-thin HD stereo speakers embedded within the headband. These speakers are designed to sit comfortably without pressing against the ears, which is a common issue with conventional headphones when lying down or sleeping on one side. The sound quality surpasses expectations for a product in this price range, delivering clear, lossless audio that is suitable for music, spoken word, and ambient sounds. Users have praised the quality of sound reproduction, noting that voices and music come through crisply without distortion. The headphones support Bluetooth 5.2 technology, ensuring a stable wireless connection with a wide range of devices, including Android and iOS smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth-enabled gadgets. The connection is generally reliable, though some users have experienced occasional cutouts after extended use, which the manufacturer addresses through responsive customer service and a lifetime warranty. Battery life is another strong point, with a full charge taking approximately 2 to 2.5 hours and providing over 10 hours of continuous playtime. This duration comfortably covers a full night's sleep or a long workout session. The headphones also feature built-in volume control buttons and a microphone, enabling hands-free phone calls and easy navigation through tracks without needing to access the connected device. This functionality enhances usability, especially when used during exercise or relaxation. From a usability perspective, the Perytong Sleep Headphones excel in comfort and practicality. The headband is lightweight and soft, which prevents discomfort or pressure during sleep. It can also be washed after removing the speakers, maintaining hygiene over time. The wide headband also serves as an eye mask, blocking out light to aid sleep, which is a valuable dual-purpose feature. However, the headphones are not noise-canceling, so while they help mask ambient noise with audio content, they do not fully block out loud environmental sound such as snoring or loud neighbors. This is an important consideration for potential buyers seeking complete noise isolation. Some users have noted that the very thin wires inside the headband, particularly near the speakers and charging port, are prone to wear and tear due to tossing and turning during sleep. This can lead to eventual failure of one speaker or charging issues, but many find the comfort and sleep aid benefits worth the trade-off. The company's customer service is highly rated, with quick replacements and support that add value to the purchase. The Perytong Sleep Headphones also stand out for their versatility. Beyond sleep, they are suitable for various sports and outdoor activities, thanks to their secure fit and sweat-resistant materials. Users appreciate that the headband keeps hair and sweat away from the face while delivering high-quality audio, making it a practical choice for workouts or yoga sessions. Overall, the Perytong Sleep Headphones offer a compelling combination of comfort, sound quality, and multifunctionality. They address common issues faced by people who want to listen to audio while sleeping or exercising without the discomfort of traditional headphones. While not perfect due to the lack of noise cancellation and some durability concerns, they provide excellent value for money and have received overwhelmingly positive feedback from users worldwide. If you are looking for a comfortable wireless solution to improve your sleep or enhance your workout experience with music or guided meditation, the Perytong Sleep Headphones are a strong contender. For those interested, the product link is available in the description to support the channel. If you own this product, sharing your review in the comments can help others make an informed decision.